In a world obsessed with quiet EVs and digital screens, Porsche just handed us a megaphone. This isn't just another 911, it's the GT3 SC, the first time the GT3 badge has ever been allowed to see the clouds. It is quite literally the Great Unfiltered. Why does this exist? Because someone at Weissach decided that 510 horsepower sounds better without a roof getting in the way. They took the high-revving heart of the GT3 RS, a 4.0 masterpiece, and married it to a 6-speed manual gearbox. No PDK, no safety net, just you, a clutch pedal, and a tachometer that doesn't stop until it hits 9,000. It's not about lap times anymore. It's about how much of your soul you're willing to give back to the road. But don't mistake open top for soft. This is a magnesium-framed, carbon fiber-cloaked scalpel. Every panel has been obsessed over to keep the weight under 1,500 kilos. They borrowed the ST's lightweight clutch and the RS's aero logic to create something that defies physics. It's a paradox. It looks like a weekend cruiser, but it breathes like a Le Mans racer. Driving this is a tactical assault on the senses. With the top down, the titanium exhaust note doesn't just hit your ears, it vibrates in your chest. You smell the heat coming off the ceramic brakes. You feel every pebble through the thin-rimmed steering wheel. It's a reminder that we are still biological creatures in a mechanical world. It's messy, it's loud, and it's perfect. Is it expensive? Obscenely. Is it hard to get? You'll probably need to sell a kidney just to get on the waiting list. But for the $275,000 price tag, you aren't buying a car. You're buying the last of a dying breed. You're buying the right to hear the best engine on Earth without any filters. The GT3 SC, the car that shouldn't exist, yet here it is. If this is the end of an era, at least it's gonna be a loud one. Drop a fire in the comments if you're choosing the manual.